Kimmy came from an ancient couple who ran a puppy mill that I was scammed by, but then I got her and I couldn't say no. And so I met them in the parking lot of a McDonald's 3 hours away and paid them $600 for a teeny tiny bald puppy who had pus-filled pockets all over her back and cost me like $1,500 in dermatology visits. Yeah. But she's perfect. She's the light of our life, even though she's probably inbred and has terrible conformation. Yes. Roll over. Stand up. Down. Bang. Good job. Good job. Good job. Little baby.